Hey everyone, welcome to Sheba's Cookery World. In today's video, let's see how to make mini lemon cakes. These are eggless and a quick recipe for 2 people. Let's get started with the recipe. To begin with, I'm gonna grease the ramekins with some melted butter. If you do not have these ramekins, you could use mugs or cups which are microwave safe. Next, take some maida or all-purpose flour in a bowl. Add in some baking powder, baking soda and a pinch of salt. Give this a nice mix and your dry ingredients is ready. In a separate bowl, add in some powdered sugar. Add in vegetable oil and mix it. If you want, you can replace oil with melted butter. Add in some curd or yogurt to this and mix it again. Add in some vanilla extract and mix it. Now comes the key ingredient, the lemon. Take a lemon, cut it into 2 halves and remove the seeds. Squeeze the lemon and add the juice into the wet ingredients mix. I'm just adding the juice from half a lemon over here. Next, I'm gonna add the zest from 1 lemon into this. Be careful not to include the white portion from the lemon rind, else your cake will turn out to be bitter. Mix everything really well and your wet ingredients mix is ready. Add in the dry ingredients in small batches to the wet ingredients mix and whisk it well. Now the cake batter is ready. You can add in equal portions into both the ramekins. With the help of a spoon, level the top portion. Tap it a couple of times to get rid of any air bubbles. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees centigrade and place these ramekins inside. Now bake the cake for around 12 to 15 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Remove the ramekins from the oven and place it on a wire rack and let it cool down completely. I'm also gonna prepare a sugar glaze which I'm gonna pour on top of these cakes. In order to prepare the sugar glaze, add in some lemon juice to powdered sugar. Add the sugar in small batches until you get a white mixture with pourable consistency. This step is completely optional, so if you want, you can skip this as well. But I'm doing this to give the cake a more tangy flavor from the lemon. Now the sugar glaze is ready to be poured on top of the cakes. Once the cakes have cooled down completely, pour the lemon and the sugar glaze on top. Finally, garnish the cake with a slice of lemon. Eggless mini lemon cakes are now ready to be served. I'm just gonna try out a small portion myself. The texture of the cake has come out really well. And the tangy flavor from the lemon juice and the lemon zest is just awesome. So do try this recipe and let me know how it turns out. Give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and post your feedback in the comment section below. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter and Blogger. Click below to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post new videos. Do check out some of the other interesting recipes on my channel below. Thanks for watching.